Hi everyone, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 different ways of swapping two numbers in Java. So we will use Eclipse IDE for this. I have created a project and now we're going to create a class. So the name is swap two numbers. Let's use a main method. So basically swapping means interchanging values of variables. I mean, suppose A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 20. Then after swapping, A should hold 20 and B should hold 10. Okay. So for this, we will define variables A equal to 10, integer B equal to 20. Okay. So we will print initial value of variable before swapping. A is B is this C values. Okay. Before swapping A is 10 and B is 20. Okay. Let's move to the first method, method 1, using single line statement. Okay, so this is the most used method where we will declare only one statement. B equal to A plus B minus A equal to B. This and the statement. Now we'll see how it works. Okay, so as A is 10, B is 20, so it becomes this A plus B becomes 30. Okay, then minus A equal to B means uh, A will hold B's value. Okay, so B is 20, so new value of A is 20. Okay, so it becomes 30 minus 20, so B holds 10. Okay, and here we already assign B's value to the A, so now A is holding 20 and B is holding 10. So let's print this. Copy as this one, change it after swapping. Let's save this and run this. So after swapping, A is 20 and B is 10. So now we'll move to the second method. So let's comment this first code. Second is method 2 using bitwise operator. Okay. So A equal to A caret B, B equal to A caret B, and again A equal to A caret B. Okay. So to check the binary values of A and B, I will use this rapid tables website. I will post this link in the description. Okay, we'll see. First number A is 10, X or B is 20. So calculate it. Decimal. Okay, A 10, 10. Calculate it. The value it will give 30. Okay, so just put here 10 caret 20 equal to 30. Okay, so now A holds 30. Okay, and B is 20. So A holds 30, B is 20. Again, X or 8, so it gives 10. Okay, so next statement 30 caret 20 equal to 10. So now B holds 10. Similarly, for last statement, A is 30, now B is 10, A is 30, B is 10. So 30 XOR 10 gives 20. Okay, so now A holds 20. So let's save this and run this. Okay, so then go after swapping, it's giving A is 20 and B is 10. Okay, let's comment this method and move to a third method, method 3, using addition and subtraction. Okay, so A equal to A plus B, B equal to A minus B, and then A equal to A minus B. So let's see how it's working. A is 10, B is 20. So 10 plus 20 equal to, let's comment this, equal to 30. So 10 plus 20 equal to 30. So now A holds 30. In second statement, B equal to A minus B. So A is 30, B is 20, equal to 10. So now B holds value 10. Okay. For last statement, A equal to A minus B. So as per first statement, A holds 30. Second statement, B holds 10. So 30 minus 10 equal to 20. So now A holds 20. Let's save this and see the number are swapped, the variables are swapped. Okay. So after swapping, A is 20 and B is 10. This was the third method. Now let's move to the fourth one. Method 4, swap using multiplication and division operator. So A equal to A into B. So let's see how it works. A is 10, B is 20. A is 10, B is 20, equal to 200. So A holds 200. Now B equal to A divided by B. So A is 200 divided by B is 20 equal to 10. So B holds 10. Now third statement is A equal to A divided by B. So A is 200. Now B is 10. So 200 divided by 10 is 20. So now A holds 20. Let's save this and run this. So after swapping, A is 20 and B is 10. So let's comment this and move to our last method. So method 5, swap using temporary variable. Here we will declare temporary variable temp equal to 0 and temp equal to A. So now temp holds 10. Okay. And B equal to, okay, so now A equal to B. So now A's holds 20. Okay. Now B equal to A. So now B holds, sorry, B equal to temp. So now B holds 10. So let's save this and see if how it's work. See, after swapping, A is 20 and B is 10. So we've seen 5 methods of swapping two numbers. It's very easy and interesting. Hope you learned something new today. Thank you.